Congratulations, my dear learner. How are you? I hope that you are all well and also well. Now we start our learning. Today's lesson is passages. Passage. What is passage? Passage is a kind of the part and parcel of a story or any incident or any geographical discussing is called passage. There are two kinds of passages. Two kinds. Number one, seen passage, and number two, unseen passage. We know that there are two kinds of passages. They are seen passage and unseen passage. Seen passage is known to us. Which passage is known to us is called seen passage. But which passage we do not know about the passage, the incident of the passage, the fact of the passage is unknown to us, is called unseen passage. Nowadays, or in our syllabus, passage is so much important because firstly we in our English first part, in our English first question, we see the passage. Firstly we read the passage and understanding the passage, then we answer the question of the paper. So passage is so much important to the student and the learner and the teacher, because if you do not or if you fail to understanding the passage, we can't answer the question properly. So passage is so much important. How can we improve our passage reading? We try to know the words of the passage, the meaning of the word. So the vocabs or vocabulary system or vocabs is increasing, and the word note or word meaning is very important to us. So we collect our vocabs, vocabulary improvement. We read the word meaning of the passage, and we also read the dictionary and other sources to collect our vocabs. Increasing our vocabs, we try to understanding the vocabulary and their meaning. If we increase or if you improve our vocabulary system, vocabs word and their meaning, we properly answer the question firstly by understanding passage properly. If we do not increase our vocab system or vocabulary system, we can't answer the question properly. Seen passage is favorable to us, but unseen passage is not favorable to us because we do not know about the passage properly. So, firstly, we try to improve our vocabulary. If we improve our vocabulary, we can answer properly the unseen passage. If we understand the vocabs of the unseen passage and their meaning, it is easy to answer the question, the unseen passage. So we understand or memorize that our first duty is increasing our vocabulary and their meaning properly. So we improve our vocabs and then we answer the question of the unseen passage. Passage is so much important in our syllabus, in our curriculum system. So we have to have knowledge about the vocabs properly and their meaning, and we try to increase more and more increase day by day our vocabulary system. Most of the students, it is our lack that most of the students do not try to increase their vocabularies and their meanings. Then they fail to answering the question of the unseen passage. So firstly and foremostly, it is our firstly and foremost duty of our student, our teacher, everybody who are involved in the education system or our learning system. They firstly and foremostly, or their first duty is increasing their vocabularies and their meanings. Vocals or vocabularies means what? Words. Words or words meaning. It is our duty to know properly words or word meaning. Know the words or word meanings. If we do not understand the one meaning of the passage, we can't memorize or understanding the passage and unseen passage. Then we fail to answer the question properly. So it is so much important for the learner, for the teacher. Firstly, they increasing their vocabularies or whatnot. If they try to understand the word of the passage, they cannot understand the meaning of the passage properly. Then they fail to answer the question properly, and they get 4 marks, and then their result must be in lower situation. So they try to understand firstly vocabs and vocabulary or what meanings, and then read the passage properly and understanding the point of view, and then they answer the question properly and they get much more marks. Thank you so much. We discuss about the passage. Passage is so much important in our curriculum and syllabus system. So if we try to understand the passage, we increasing our vocabulary, our word meaning. It must be give our helping to answer the seen and unseen passage. Thank you so much. Thank you to the learner.